Have you ever wondered about the rich history and culture of Isfahan, a major city in Iran? Nestled in the heart of the country, Isfahan is a gem of Persian culture, boasting a lineage that spans centuries. Once upon a time, it was among the largest cities globally, a testament to its historical significance. Isfahan is a canvas painted with beautiful Islamic architecture, a treasure trove of historical sites, and a vibrant culture that never fails to captivate. The city's key attractions range from the grand Naqsh-e-Jahan Square, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, to the mesmerizing Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque. From the royal residence of Safavid kings, the Ali Kapur Palace, to the historic pavilion of Jehel Sotun Palace, Isfahan is a city that whispers tales of a glorious past. But it's not just about the past. Isfahan is alive and throbbing with traditional bazaars, exquisite handicrafts, mouth-watering Persian cuisine, and the warm hospitality of its people. Join us as we explore the historical treasures of Isfahan, from its ancient mosques to its grand palaces. Imagine standing in one of the largest city squares in the world, surrounded by magnificent monuments. Welcome to Naqsh-e-Jahan Square, also known as Imam Square. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, nestled in the heart of Isfahan, stretches across a vast expanse that's twice the size of Moscow's Red Square. Encircling this grand square are some of the most iconic landmarks of Persian architecture. To the south, the Imam Mosque stands tall, its turquoise domes a testament to the grandeur of the Safavid dynasty. On the eastern side, the Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque leaves onlookers spellbound with its exquisite tilework. Facing the square's western edge is the majestic Ali Kapur Palace, once the royal residence of Safavid kings. And to the north, the Kaysari Gate stands as a grand entrance to the traditional bazaar of Isfahan. Every monument here tells a story, a tale of Persian glory and artistic prowess. The grandeur of Naqsh-e-Jahan Square leaves every visitor in awe. Now, picture yourself stepping into the stunning Imam Mosque, a masterpiece of Islamic art and architecture. As you traverse the corridors of time, you find yourself in the Safavid era, when the majestic Imam Mosque came into existence. This grand edifice, also known as Shah Mosque, is renowned for its striking turquoise domes that seem to touch the sky, a spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. The mosque's intricate tile work is a feast for the eyes, a kaleidoscope of colors and patterns that narrate stories of a bygone era. Every tile, every pattern, is a testament to the painstaking craftsmanship that went into its creation. The grandeur of its architecture, the towering minarets, and the expansive courtyard are a sight to behold, reflecting the zenith of Persian artistry. Yet, the journey through Isfahan's architectural marvels is far from over. On the eastern side of Naqsh-e-Jahan Square, the Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque awaits your discovery. Smaller in size but no less enchanting, this mosque is a jewel in Isfahan's crown. Unlike the Imam Mosque, the Sheikh Lotfollah Mosque was not built for public worship. Instead, it served as a private mosque for the royal court. This fact is reflected in its intimate scale and the absence of minarets. The mosque is renowned for its exquisite tilework and delicate designs, which are a visual symphony of colors and textures. One of its most mesmerizing features is the dome that seems to change color throughout the day. This enchanting play of light and shadow creates an ever-changing spectacle, transforming from a soft pink at dawn to a deep blue at dusk. The beauty of these mosques transcends their physical form. They are not just architectural marvels, they are a testament to the power of creativity, the resilience of a culture, and the artistic genius of the Persian people. These mosques are not just places of worship, they are a testament to the artistic genius of the Persian people. Imagine walking through the halls of the royal Ali Kapur Palace, once the residence of Safavid kings. Standing majestically on the western side of Naqsh-e-Jahan Square, this six-story palace is a testament to the grandeur of Persian architecture. Ali Kapur Palace, meaning High Gate in Persian, was built in the 17th century and served as a monumental gateway to the royal palaces that lay beyond. Intricate wooden balconies, tall columns, and a music hall renowned for its exceptional acoustic design are just a few elements that make this palace an architectural marvel. The music hall in particular is a sight to behold, adorned with cutout shapes designed to enhance the resonance of musical performances. Imagine the echoes of royal concerts filling the chamber as you admire the artistry of its unique stucco work. From the palace's grand balcony, the Safavid kings would gaze upon Naqsh-e-Jahan Square, taking in the bustling life of their capital city. Picture yourself standing there with a panoramic view of the world's second largest square, absorbing the energy of Isfahan. Now, let's journey to another royal abode, the Chehel Sotun Palace. Nestled amidst lush gardens and reflective pools, the palace's name translates to 40 columns. But why 40, you might wonder, when there are only 20 slender wooden pillars supporting its entrance pavilion? Well, the answer lies in its reflection. The palace was designed in such a way that the columns' reflections in the adjacent pool doubled their number, creating an illusion of 40 columns. Inside, the palace is a living canvas of Persian art. Frescoes and paintings adorn the walls, narrating tales of royal hunts, receptions, and historic battles. Each artwork is a window into the world of the Safavid dynasty, offering glimpses of their lavish lifestyle and significant events. Isfahan's palaces transport you back in time to an era of royal grandeur and elegance. And as we explore further, we'll uncover even more facets of this city's rich history and culture. Picture yourself standing on the historic Coc Pole as the sun sets and the arches reflect in the Zayande River. This isn't just any bridge, it's the Bridge of 33 Arches, one of the most iconic symbols of Isfahan. Constructed in the 17th century during the reign of Shah Abbas I, it's a testament to the architectural genius of the Safavid era. With its double-decked structure and total length of nearly 300 meters, the Coc Pole is more than just a crossing point over the river. It's a social hub where locals and tourists alike gather to enjoy the serene surroundings. Moving on from the tranquil setting of the Coc Pole, we find ourselves in the presence of another architectural marvel, the Jame Mosque of Isfahan. This ancient mosque, one of the oldest in Iran, is a veritable museum of Islamic architecture. Its history spans over a millennium, with each passing dynasty leaving its mark, resulting in a stunning amalgamation of styles from the Seljuk, Safavid, and Timurid periods. As we step into the mosque, the grand courtyard unfolds before us, surrounded by 4 iwans or portals, each more intricate than the last. The southern iwan, in particular, is a marvel of stalactite vaulting, a testament to the skill of the craftsmen of the time. Inside, the mosque houses a forest of pillars, creating a hypnotic play of light and shadow, a sight that leaves visitors in awe. The Jame Mosque is more than just a place of worship. It's a symbol of the rich cultural heritage of Isfahan, a city that has been a center of Persian culture for centuries. It's a living testament to the architectural prowess of the artisans of the past, their attention to detail, and their deep respect for beauty and symmetry. These structures, the Coc Pole and the Jame Mosque, are not just stunning landmarks, they are the lifeblood of Isfahan, deeply intertwined with the city's history and its people. They are the embodiment of a city that was once one of the largest and most vibrant in the world. These structures reflect the engineering prowess of ancient Persia. Now, envision stepping into the Vank Cathedral, a stunning example of Armenian architecture in the heart of Isfahan. A structure that beautifully blends Persian and Armenian design elements, the cathedral is a testament to the vibrant Armenian community that has thrived in Isfahan for centuries. Built in the 17th century during the Safavid era, the cathedral is also known as the Holy Savior Cathedral. Upon entering, your gaze is immediately drawn upwards to the cathedral's vibrant frescoes, which depict biblical scenes in vivid color. The interior is adorned with intricate tilework and murals that tell stories of faith and devotion, while the exterior presents a striking contrast with its simple, unadorned brickwork. But the Vank Cathedral is more than just a place of worship. It also houses the Armenian Museum, which preserves and showcases the rich history and contributions of the Armenian community in Isfahan. From ancient manuscripts to traditional costumes, the museum offers a fascinating insight into the lives and culture of Isfahan's Armenians. As we draw this journey to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the myriad of experiences that Isfahan has to offer. From the grandeur of Naqsh-e-Jahan Square and its surrounding landmarks, the Imam Mosque and Sheikh Lotfola Mosque, to the regal splendor of the Ali Kapu and Chehel Sotun palaces, we've traversed the iconic COC Pole Bridge and marveled at the ancient Jame Mosque. We've strolled through the lush gardens of the Hasht Behesht Palace, and finally, we've appreciated the unique blend of cultures at the Van Cathedral. Each of these places tells a story, a narrative of a city steeped in history, art, and culture. They are the testament to Isfahan's past as a center of Persian culture and its present as a vibrant, welcoming city. Isfahan, with its rich history and diverse culture, truly is a gem in the heart of Iran, waiting to be explored. This city, abundant with architectural wonders and cultural heritage, invites you to delve deeper, to discover, and to be enchanted by its beauty.